How do I tell this person I can't work for you again? Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we're starting off a new vlog today, and I'm getting ready to go for a home service. So this client has been trying to book me for a very long time, and not my fault, but just that I was trying to avoid someone. So by the way, how do you say I'm sorry I can't work for you without sounding rude, or rather without saying it? Because there's a client that has been trying to book me. Really, this person stressed me. Like, all our session ends up with a fight, and I don't think I want to continue like that because it's not healthy for me and for my brand. So how do I tell this person I can't work for you again? But that's by the way. So I'm going to quickly go pack up. Coco is on her way to me now, so once I'm done, I'm going to just jump into the shower and then grab some chocolates on my way out. So I might probably eat later in the day. So yeah, let's go. So, you guys, yesterday was really fun, and yeah, we did the job and it went all well. So, I've been in bed, and I'm just trying to see what I can do with my time. I'm not working today. Today is Monday, so I'm thinking of, going out for dinner. Table for one, so I'm not going with anyone. Yeah, so I'm looking at going to two places. Is either I do what's it called? The Smith or Slice Lagos. I've not really decided yet, but I'll just look through their Instagram and then you know let me quickly go get ready. Hi guys, so I just left Slice now, and it's raining as you guys can see. Did you say I should turn left? So traffic gate. Yeah, so that's it basically.
down to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together, not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it.
Something to buy, yeah. Set the potato, sunlight that always stays, dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life. Raise your cross. Made some dude crack a smile. He asked if I could stay a while.
Hi guys, so I just got back from Ebano now. I am trying to get ready for the gym. Yeah, so we're going to cook the body. Yeah. So let me quickly get ready and leave for the gym.
Kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melody when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. Shopping the girl, I brought a girl on my Vespa. She said I already told ya, yeah. I never dated a black guy. I said you're brown yourself.
Hi guys, good morning and welcome back. It's a new day. So I've been up since and I've been working on my bed. So I've been trying to make a payment on Fashion Nova since last night. I really don't know what's wrong. I used to do with this card, not Fashion Nova though, but online. It stopped accepting this card. I threw this one away. I got a GTV card, a dollar card. I use it for my ASOS shopping and some other online shopping, and it works. So I tried it on the Fashion Nova app. This is my first time actually ordering from Fashion Nova. It didn't pay. I got a UBA card, tried it. It debited me, and this morning I woke up to an email telling me to contact my bank that the money has been refunded. So my order has been cancelled. It's so heartbreaking. Like, I've already planned myself, So the order is supposed to come in on the 20th, but now as it stands, I have to also make other arrangements. By the way, Nivea. So I have to make other arrangements. Right now I am trying to open it, or rather I just sent my info for account opening with Providence Bank, because a lot of people have been telling me about it. So someone also told me, and she hooked me up with her friend who helped her get someone who works with Providence Bank. So they already sent me my savings account, the current account. So she's probably going to send me the dollar one today, You see, I will move all the money from this account and send it to that Providence. Because I mean, why have money and have a card and you can't use it? This is a shitty country, I swear. I don't want to waste my time doing all them card wahala and trying to order, because I might just be on this bed now and not do anything. And before you know it, it's 1 o'clock. So I'll just go out to Renee's supermarket now and then get some things. I'm just craving rice and vegetable. So I might just do maybe steak. If I don't have power for steak, I might just do fish. So yeah, let me quickly go to Renee now. So you guys just pray for me, because honestly I want to slay and I need this outfit for this slay I'm about to slay now. For this my small waka. Yeah, so let's go get rice and some ingredients. So I'll see you guys shortly. Stay with me.
Yeah. I fuck about a million, I keep it a trend, resilient, they energy off. My image is God reaching deep in the pot, I got features of people like lost. Yeah, RIP on me. TT.
Okay, so you guys hear all the things I got. So got milk, yogurt, tomato, rice, bell pepper, eggs, and this other mixed veggies. And I also got
Got a crib down the street. Ay, young niggas made it so far. Ay, I never lose what I'm on. Ay, for now, I'm cool being me. Ay, but I need you to match what I'm on. How you wanna play games when I won? Ay, I play with cash for the fun. Women looking at me, she think I'm needing her on. I'm doing me for me, hun. I never needed no one. I never bleed around sharks. They're saying you are what you eat. But she wanted.
Okay, so you guys, this apron I got from Ebana yesterday. You guys saw it. So I'm about to do the dishes, and I'm going to put this on. Your chef is here.
Diamond so vibe, always down to slide. I've been real from the jump start. It's just part of my design. I've been self-made, you know the bills paid. I feel the spark to self-prescribe. You want a real one? Well, I'm the real thing. I'm running rampant through a mind. Ay, yeah, I never lose what I'm on. I'm always cool with being me. Ay, they never match what I'm on. Ay, I play with cash for the fun. God body from the turf, my hair in the breeze. Keep the fair con, keep the peace. I look out for me.
Fuck about what they say, I can't hear from the clouds. I don't talk too much, but these diamonds talking loud. And I'm turning heads, got these bitches going out. Fuck about what they say, what they say, what they. Fuck about what they say, I can't hear from the clouds.
I'm way up, nothing less than. And I'ma stay up.
Can't hear from the clouds.
Help me to protect this peace no matter what's in store.
Hi guys, good evening. After work, I had to go see my friend Coco today. We had a heart-to-heart conversation. I told her how I am tired and no longer inspired. Yes, it happened to me too. Sometimes I don't just feel like doing anything. I just want to, you know, stay on the bed, be on my phone, and sometimes just sleep, you know. Afterwards, I'm always fulfilled. So I think I am in that era right now and I need a break. So Coco is traveling to Morocco and I wanted to join her on the trip, but I couldn't because my passport is expiring in January and the visa I am applying for, but they need a 6-month validity, they call it. Yeah. So the agent told me that I can't go on that trip. I'll have to renew my passport and do all of that. So I already spoke to a friend. So he gave me someone's contact. to call. So I already spoke to the guy and we're having an appointment for tomorrow. So I'm going to submit my passport and also capture. So I'll need to put my hair in cornrows for tomorrow. Then yeah, that'll be all. So once I'm done, I head straight to bed. I'll see you guys. Bye bye.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now.
Yeah, so I just got here. This is actually my first time in this area. So yeah, it wasn't really difficult to locate, but yeah, I'm 7 minutes late. So I need to get going now so that I can meet up with my appointment. So you guys take care. So guys, I just finished now and I'm about to leave here. It was a quick one. Yeah, a very swift one. That's why they say know somebody. That was what saved me today. So I'll see you guys shortly. Bye. Hi guys, good morning and welcome to the channel. So yeah, today is Sunday. I'm always at home on Sundays all by myself. So you guys I'm just chilling rather. I keep saying we are. As if it's, well, it's a household though. So I bought a vacuum cleaner. That's like, I think before I went to Enugu was when I was in Enugu when I ordered it and they delivered it, and since then I've been so busy. So today we're going to unbox it, set it up and try it. I'm happy with the way this whole place is coming together. Wardrobe, console, the bed, the bedside. And I think I also want to put a plant by that end and then get a lamp for the bedside. Yeah, so the idea is to make it a home. So that after all my waka, all the stress, I can still come back home to a conducive, room. So, which other thing are we doing? So I'm still not done with the bathroom. But so I also have some things that I'm going to display in the bathroom from Hello Homes, and so I know you guys, you're expecting the bathroom tour and my room tour, but I promise you, as soon as everything is set, I don't just want to do like add-on, where you do and come back for an add-on video. I just want to do it once and for all. So yeah. And also, I am preparing for a friend's wedding. So it's for the 31st. It's on a Tuesday. So I don't even know what to wear. I already contacted some people, my friends, so to see if they can make me something. The time is really short. I just hope I get something to wear that day. Yeah. So let me get my phone and show you guys. Yeah, so there's this guy I contacted. His name is Nathan. And I also contacted Cute Saints, the one that made I don't know if you guys remember that black tunic I wore for the YouTube Black event. So he made that one. I also contacted him. So we are currently chatting. So he just got back to me like a few minutes ago, and the outfits he's been sending me, they are too extra, and I'm already feeling like the groom. I am going to get the box now and then unbox and try to set it up. Yeah. Yeah. So camera. Better respect yourself. Go back. Go back. Okay, so this is it. So here it says, do not accept if the seal is broken. Oops. So you guys, we're going to try to set it up. So I have the manual here first of all, and this is a welcome guide, specification. So here it has the model number, the size, the weight, the battery capacity, the input, the power, the usage. Then for product overview, on switch, off switch, on switch. So I think the base, the battery, is supposed to be charged. The battery, the battery. So I think that's it for now. Let's charge. So you guys, I'm supposed to charge the battery, which I am already doing. So we're going to allow it charge for at least 1 hour because I don't want to hear anything. So once the thing is fully charged, we can now come and try it. So just stay connected. Good morning. Igwe is up. So I wasn't able to finish up with the unboxing from yesterday because I had to charge the battery pack. So we're going to continue today. Today is Monday and I am not working. So the plan for today is to shoot a video and also do a post for my class. So apparently this video I'm about to shoot is for YouTube, but we're going to talk about the class in that video. So yeah, I'm getting ready to start, but first, let's brush. I am about to take the car to the car wash. Then get something to eat. Yes, I'll see you guys shortly. Hi guys. So yeah, I just got back and on my way back, these guys dropped this with the security. So we're going to see what's inside. Okay. So this is from Ome Cloth. Yeah, so if you don't know who Ome Cloth is, I'm going to link that vlog where I went to a bar with him, so you guys go watch that video. So he sent me this outfit. Yeah, so let me just show you guys here, because I know I'm still going to do a get ready with me. This actually suits my skin. Yes. Yes. This is what it will look like. I'll be looking like those Yoruba demons, those heartbreakers. So you guys, this is the second one. It's a beach wear, so just throw this on. We're short, you know, all chest out, you know, 6 parts, round thighs. Yes, I actually like it. I like the way it's looking on me. We need to hit the gym. Okay, yeah, I like it. So you guys, I'm about to go rest now, and then maybe check Instagram, and yeah, I'll see you guys shortly. Bye bye. Hi everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, so I'm having an early start, and I'm going to be doing a lot of things this morning. Number one, I'm going to reapply for my driver's license, because I started it and I didn't finish in Enugu. So instead of going back to Enugu and wasting money for flight is like 109,000. It's better I just do it here in Lagos. And you know, so I already made inquiries if I can continue. So the guy was saying since I didn't capture, that I can actually start all over again. So by the way, before you people come judge me, disclaimers, they gave me a form right to hold, while I'm driving here. When all these policemen stop me on the road, I can just present it to them and tell them, okay, this is what I got from road safety. Then secondly, I'm also going to, not going actually, the designer is actually coming to me to take my measurement for, my outfits. I have a wedding for the 31st of October, so you guys know now, when it comes to fashion, I like to do my best. So yeah, so we're done with the first two stage, which is applying and replying messages, emails, and all of that. By the way, I shot a hair video for a brand, and it's going to drop tomorrow, Wednesday. So I'm going to link it up here, so you guys go check that video out. And you see that a lot has changed in frontal installation and all of that. I even talked about the different types of laces we have, so you need to watch that video. So now I'm going to go to the salon now, because I also have a physical class. Someone paid for a 1-month class, so apparently this is her 3rd week, or her last week rather. Yeah, so this is her last week, and I'm trying to make sure she gets everything, in as much as she's slow, but I really don't mind. But the most important thing is I'm actually seeing the results. She's actually picking up, so that's the most important thing, whether you're slow or you're fast. So far you're getting it well. I don't have a problem with you. So yeah, that's it basically. Okay guys, so he's here. Yeah, say hi to my subscribers now.
Hello guys.
He's shy. So you remember the outfit I wore in South Africa? Sorry, in Kenya. So he did that outfit, the one you guys were raving about. Yeah. So let's come and scatter the internet this time.
This one?
I think I lost weight in 2 days. I'm starving.
Okay, let's see how much you've lost.
Okay, so you guys were done, and I know he's gonna kill it. Kill it, oh! Kill it! Hi guys, so skincare done, and this is how I do my morning skincare routine. Very easy, breezy. So try to inculcate skincare to your morning routine. Very, very important. I just like how it makes my skin so hydrated and gorgeous. And I'm going to say a big thank you to Isabella, because I didn't used to do skincare, and whenever I've done Betsy, that she, when we meet, and she's like, Lee, why is your face so crusty and ashy? And I keep telling her, oh no, I don't want to be light skinned, blah blah blah, I don't want to bleach. But trust me, skincare is not going to make you light skin. It's just going to keep your skin healthy and hydrated. So I hope you guys enjoyed my morning skincare routine. Just let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, so you guys, this is what I'm wearing with an ASOS short. Yeah, so let me go to work. So I have a client and 2 students, 2 trainees, so I need to get going.
I painting their face for 3 hours. Time is going. This is exactly what to make Amy say until that painted the whole day. She's trying not to laugh, but she's laughing. Sarah is here. She's the next person. Scattered this painting. This is what will make my husband say until that the painter. That we painted for 3 hours.
See, when I went to her house, the first thing doctor said, Angela, are you here to do my mom's makeup? I said, what happened? See, I want you to teach my mom to do her makeup fast. She takes forever to do her makeup. Yesterday when I go market, I come back late. She said, Angela, so you had to stay in the market up until the night. That'll be so till they see you. Children are
Sarah is still painting 3 hours counting. Police made this hair to perfection.
Oh, Lee did actually. A lot of people have been giving him kudos actually.
Hi guys, I'm back. So I just finished doing Ada's hair. By the way, Ada is also a YouTuber, so you guys please go to her channel. I'm going to leave it here, so help me, I beg, subscribe to her channel and please try and engage. Thank you. So she told me about Johnny Drill's show and I really want to attend because staying in this house alone sometimes can be so frustrating. So let me go out. At least I know these people, so let's start from here. So I already bought the ticket, so I just want to get ready now. First, I'm going to try and pick an outfit while she's still doing her makeup. So you guys, I think this is going to go well with this one. Hi guys, so we're about to leave this place now. Ada's makeup has been done, you guys.
Guys, look how beautiful I look. Lee slayed my hair and Sarah did an amazing job, guys. Just look at. Love it. Bye guys. I know, say, these spaces, they look.
You know me, boomerang me, girl. Boomerang me.
Think I boomerang you.
Why do you use that song?
Them don't know you like I do. This special to me. They don't know. Slow to marry, person of you were perfect for me.
About me, show me. Show me when I still have use for your empathy. When I can still feel the warmth in your sympathy. And if you must throw a pity party, do it.
Gentlemen, happy. Don't show me love.
Stuff up really easy. We wanna let my go make everything easy. What's maybe misleading, but your love is what I'm needing.
Baby, baby, be my love. I want you in my life. No longer wanna be on my own. 2, 3 and go.
Say, be my lover, what?
Hi, good morning guys. So it's another day and I am planning to go to Aja now for my license. So then from there I'll head to the photographer's place. So I am actually having a proper shoot for my outfit. So I really can't wait to share it with you guys. By the way, let me show you what I am wearing. So I'm going to quickly dive into the shower and then wash my hair. So once I'm done washing, I'll take out this cornrows because the vibe for the shoot is big hair. So this is life of an entrepreneur. Even as I'm trying to get ready, I am posting for my class. Yeah, so the class already started and it's going on well. So if you're not in this class, you're on a long thing. Okay, so you guys, I'm set to leave, right? Yeah, so today has been frustrating for me. First of all, I was supposed to do my shoot today, and on my way to road safety to get my license, I spoke to the photographer and he said we can't shoot today because he's sick. I understand. I'm looking for a way to make this whole thing work. I honestly want to be, or rather trying to be considerate, but yes, I wanted the shoot to be on the wedding day, but he was the one that suggested we do it a day before. So I don't even know where to start from because I know this person. But I told him I was going to call him in the next 3 hours to see if he will be strong to even shoot. So, but if he doesn't, we'll probably just stick to phone pictures. I mean, so by the way, I got my temporary license, so I just cover my details and show you guys only my face. You guys, I came here last week and I wasn't able to get this because it got to my turn and the system started malfunctioning. So yeah, but I have it now. I'm a good citizen. I'm trying to make sure I get everything together so that I don't fall into the hands of all these policemen, or rather be a law breaker. Hi guys, So on my way to the studio, and I am actually late. Not my fault though, but this whole thing wasn't planned, but I just have to make it work. Yeah, so I'm really tensed right now because I don't want the photographer said he has just an hour in the studio and 30 minutes is gone already. 20 minutes is gone rather, so we just have less than 30 minutes to get this whole thing done, and I need to come back home. I did someone's hair in the salon, so I need to be back home so I can get ready for the event. I'm also filming a get ready with me, but right now I am scared. I don't think, did that guy just hit me? I don't think I'll be able to do that, but anyway, I'll try my best and still keep you guys updated. So excuse me. Yeah. So what do you guys think? I've not actually gotten a trim from an actual barber in a long time, but we did today. So what do you guys think? Do I look fresh or so I am about leaving for the house now, so I can go do my, sorry about that, so I can go do my get ready with me and then leave. So I'll see you guys shortly. So this is one thing about Chevron. This place is always rowdy and tight. The traffic here is usually crazy, but you see this wedding. I have gone for this wedding, slay my slay, and have fun. Yeah, so guys, I had to rush to the bank to do a transaction, then from the bank to the car wash. So when I came down to enter the bank, don't hit me, oh, I saw my car and it wasn't looking nice at all. So just imagine someone coming out of the car looking all nice and the car is dirty. God, I felt so ashamed, so I didn't want that to happen. So I had to, clean the car, and now I'm about to get fuel. I'm going to rush down home and do my get ready with me. So Chuchu actually did a good job, first of all, for even agreeing to come out, because he's really sick. When I saw him, I felt so bad because he was really looking sick. So I also want to use this, though I said sorry in person, but I also want to say sorry, Chuchu, for pulling you out of your house, even in your condition. So, but yeah, and I hope you forgive me for pulling you out. So I can't wait for the pictures to come out. He's already working on them, so I'm going to just throw some slides on the screen so you guys can see what I looks like for the wedding. And by the way, if you're not following my personal page, what are you waiting for? Please go and show me some love. Hi, so I am home and I want to shower and then get ready. So my clothes is on the bed already, and yeah, I have my tripod here. Sorry, yeah, so because I'm filming a get ready with me. All them gorgeous bodies
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like. You're told, but I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. I got something to be
snack, let me see some. You are the wifey type, baby, you could be one. Let me change your life, I could show you many reasons, different seasons. Hop in my bag and I stay in it, hit from the back and I stay in it. He is not damn, don't play with him. She is not damn, don't play with her. I got a R-O-D, she got a P and C, baby girl.